Welcome to Million Dollar Mansions, your ultimate destination for exploring the world's most luxurious homes. Today, we invite you to experience an exclusive tour of a breathtaking modern mansion, where elegance meets sophistication, and every detail is designed to impress. From stunning exteriors to opulent interiors, this mansion redefines luxury living. Starting with a sweeping aerial view, the mansion's grandeur is immediately evident. The driveway stretches elegantly toward the entrance, flanked by manicured gardens, decorative fountains, and sparkling greenery. The swimming pool reflects sunlight, creating a serene and captivating ambiance. This first view sets the tone for a residence where beauty and luxury blend seamlessly. As we move closer to the pool and garden area, vibrant greenery, perfectly manicured lawns, and gentle fountain splashes bring the outdoor space to life. The pool shimmers under the sunlight, offering a perfect retreat for relaxation or entertainment. Every element of the landscape has been meticulously crafted to create an atmosphere of calm, sophistication, and natural beauty. The driveway and entrance highlight the mansion's modern elegance. Luxury cars parked along polished marble paths enhance the cinematic appeal, while soft ambient lighting creates a welcoming aura. Every detail, from architectural lines to lighting, emphasizes the refined style that defines this property. The terraces and balconies provide panoramic views of the surrounding gardens and outdoor seating areas. Glass railings, stylish furniture, and soft sunlight make these spaces ideal for relaxation or hosting guests. Here, luxury meets comfort, offering a seamless connection between indoor elegance and outdoor serenity. Inside, the main living hall greets visitors with grandeur. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural light to flood the space, illuminating polished marble floors and contemporary furnishings. Ambient lighting and elegant decor create a perfect blend of sophistication and warmth. The hall serves as the heart of the mansion, a space for gatherings and peaceful moments alike. The kitchen is a masterpiece of design and practicality. Featuring a large marble island, high-end appliances, and sleek cabinetry, it combines elegance with functionality. Sunlight streaming through expansive windows enhances the textures and details, creating a space that is as visually stunning as it is practical. Every element here embodies luxury and attention to detail. Ascending the spiral staircase, the craftsmanship is evident in glass railings, polished steps, and a suspended chandelier. Upper floor terraces and balconies offer additional outdoor retreats, combining privacy with breathtaking views. Each space is designed to be both functional and visually impressive. The master bedroom serves as a sanctuary of comfort and sophistication. A king-size bed with plush linens, large windows offering panoramic views, and subtle ambient lighting create a serene and private retreat. Every detail, from furniture placement to decor, reflects the mansion's luxurious standards. The master bathroom continues this theme of opulence, featuring marble walls, a freestanding bathtub, a glass shower, and modern fixtures. Sunlight filtering through frosted windows adds warmth and tranquility, while polished surfaces and subtle steam from hot water create a cinematic atmosphere. Other areas of the mansion, including the library, lounge, and additional bedrooms, maintain the same commitment to elegance. The library offers tall bookshelves and cozy reading spaces, while the lounge provides a stylish setting for entertaining. Every room contributes to a cohesive vision of luxury living. As the tour concludes, the rooftop terrace and infinity pool offer panoramic views of the mansion and surrounding landscapes. Water ripples gently in the pool, plants sway softly in the breeze, and the mansion glows under the evening lights, leaving a lasting impression of grandeur and sophistication. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour. Don't forget to subscribe to Million Dollar Mansions to discover more extraordinary properties and experience the pinnacle of luxury living. Step into elegance, comfort, and style. Your journey into the world of luxury begins here. Text overlay. Subscribe to Million Dollar Mansions for more luxury tours. Voiceover. Subscribe now and never miss a chance to explore the world's most extraordinary homes.